and welcome to Kitchen Alchemy. Today we're talking about alcohol, its history, what to do, and what to avoid when it comes to enjoying it responsibly. Alcohol has been a part of human culture for thousands of years, from ancient brewing techniques in Mesopotamia to the creation of fine wines and spirits we know today. But while alcohol can bring people together, it's important to know how to consume it wisely. Dose 1. Moderation is key. The number one rule with alcohol is moderation. Stick to recommended limits, 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 for men. More isn't better. 2. Stay hydrated. Make sure to drink water alongside alcohol. This keeps you hydrated and can help prevent a hangover. 3. Eat before drinking. Always have a solid meal before drinking alcohol. Food slows down alcohol absorption, so you stay balanced and avoid feeling lightheaded. 4. Take probiotics or antacids. Consider taking probiotics or antacids before drinking alcohol to support your digestion and reduce any discomfort. 5. Choose quality over quantity. Go for higher quality alcohol with fewer additives. Not only does it taste better, but it's also easier on your body. Don'ts. Don't drink on an empty stomach. Drinking on an empty stomach can lead to faster intoxication and discomfort, so always eat something first. Avoid binge drinking. Binge drinking is harmful and can lead to serious health risks. Know your limits and stick to them. Don't mix alcohol with energy drinks. Energy drinks mask the effects of alcohol, which can lead to overconsumption and dangerous behavior. Don't drink if you're on certain medications. Alcohol can have dangerous interactions with medications, so check with your doctor or pharmacist before drinking. Additional tips. Know your body. Everyone processes alcohol differently. What works for one person may not be the same for you, so listen to your body and know your limits. Take breaks. It's a good idea to take regular breaks between drinks to let your body process the alcohol. Plan your transportation. If you plan on drinking, make sure you have a safe way to get home. Never drink and drive. So, those are the do's and don'ts for drinking alcohol responsibly. It's all about balance and making smart choices. Whether you're at a party or having a drink at home, following these tips can help you stay healthy while enjoying your time. Subscribe to Kitchen Alchemy for more tips on healthy living and responsible drinking.